guys, so today is March 10th and we are moving and it's raining outside, so my hair is frizzy. Well, it's not raining now, but it was raining earlier and it's gonna rain again later. So we are in the parking lot waiting for the U-Haul truck.
Wait, what does this say?
And if you guys, well, I guess I haven't really been updating you guys, but basically we found a house. We are back in California. Me and Matt, who've been living together for 2 years, we are moving in with my friend Jules. We found a house and we are in love with it. We are so excited. We actually got the keys 4 days early. We weren't supposed to move until this weekend, but it's Tuesday and we're moving in. So today I'm gonna show you guys the new house. We're gonna do an empty house tour because gotta love those. And I'm gonna bring you along on this moving journey. So I'm so excited, but just a little recap of what's been happening. If you guys have been following me at all, then you may have known that I went to Bali, and in October I packed up all of my stuff with Matt from our old house into a storage unit, and our plan was to move to Bali. Well, so we drove to Texas. We had an amazing road trip. If you want to see pictures of that, check out my Instagram. And it was so much fun. There's actually a vlog from that road trip up here too. And so then we went to spend a week with my mom in Texas. We left my dog and my car there. We went to Bali with the thought that we were gonna move there. However, we got there and we realized that the tourism and the heat and just kind of everything wasn't exactly what we thought it was. Even though I'd been there 2 years earlier, I went during their winter, so it was a little bit cooler and the tourism hadn't spiked as high as it was. So we thought we would just make the most out of it and have a month-long vacation and then come home in time for Christmas. So we did that. I spent 2 months in Texas with my family, with Matt, and we just hung out with them, helped them out a little bit, and they helped us out a little bit. And it was great quality time with them. And then we decided to come back to California, and we got back a week ago. We went house hunting, we signed a lease, and now we are moving in. So if you want to see all of our adventures, our new house and our move, then keep on watching. Okay, so this is our storage unit. It is so creepy.
Yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah. All right. Oh, I smell the mold.
Alright, so I didn't show you guys before, but this is the end of trip 1. That's all basically empty back there. All the boxes from up there are all gone. So we've made a little bit of progress. I am so creeped out though. I think it is, I walked in here to open it up by myself and the elevator was just acting weird, and I'm terrified that there's some spirit in here. It feels haunted, but hopefully we'll be okay. We have a man down. The blender is broken. I got a little cut. Somehow I think I'll survive, but that is the cleanup. Here's the mess, and we don't have a broom.
Oh, a mini bat.
No, not right now.
Whoa.
Come on.
Oh,
Yeah.
my movies?
Oh. loud. You can hear the traffic. Like, this is the back unit, okay? But we are going in the house. I'm so excited. So this is the house. Nice high ceilings, beautiful lights, brand new kitchen, guys. I personally have never had a dishwasher, my parents do, but I've never had one in my house. Brand new appliances. This island has room for bar stools, so we're gonna get some bar stools. We're gonna put our dining table right here and make it a workspace. Over here, we're gonna have the couch. Oh, I'm so excited. Guys, look at this fridge. I have a freaking, are you kidding? I have a freaking water machine in my fridge. What? Here's door number one. Also, we have central air and heat, which most places do not have in California. So that's amazing, especially in SoCal. Behind door number one, we have the first bathroom, some storage. And then right here, we have number two. Woo, it has a little light. This is just storage, but we're gonna use it for storage and also for the dog stuff because we have two huge dogs. And then, let's go. Also, can we just say this kitchen, we have so much storage, so much light, it's beautiful. Okay, this door also 8-foot wood door, perfect for the aesthetic. Up the stairs. All right, so we get to the hallway and we have the washer and dryer in here. We have a little light. So much storage, look at that. Then we have door number one, which is the first bedroom. I think we're gonna use this as like a TV, workout room, office, we'll see. We have the light. We have this closet, which is Jules' closet number one. She's our roommate. And then we have Jules' bedroom, which she has her own balcony. She has another closet. She has the view of the neighbor's house and also of these birds eating bird food, I guess. And then she has her own bathroom. Her own bathroom here. She has some storage, perfect. I think this is enough for her. It's pretty similar to what she has now. Across from that, we have another storage closet. Not sure what we're gonna put in there. And then the master, guys. Oh. Okay, so behind this door over here is closet number one. It's humongous. I am obsessed. This is the closet, guys. There's so much space. I'm so happy. And then if you go across diagonally, you have another closet here. So these are my closets. I don't even know. I don't have enough clothes to fill all of these, but they're beautiful. And then we have our own little patio. We can see into the neighbor's house, like right there, which isn't so cute, so we're just like gonna have to shut the blinds or whatever, but it's okay. And then we have this double vanity, and perfect for both of us. This beautiful shower with a little built-in nook right there. And that is the house. I am so obsessed with this freaking place. That's our new house. I am obsessed with it. I think it is so amazing. It is everything that I ever wanted, guys. I want high ceilings, I want white walls, I don't have to paint anything, I want new appliances and a dishwasher. Like, are you kidding? I wanted an island, and I have an island. I have 2 walk-in closets. Like, I can't. Okay, so basically, here's the thing. Originally, I'm literally sitting on the floor because it's an empty house. It's also very warm, but it's raining outside. Okay, so I wanted so badly a beautiful home. But in California and Los Angeles, it is very expensive. So we looked at places like 2 bedrooms, like what we were in before for me and Matt. And they were beautiful. They were really, really nice, but not as nice as here. They weren't in as nice of locations. It was not everything. There was something that I was gonna have to compromise. This is a freestanding unit. We have 2-car garage. We have everything that I wanted. Whereas in the other places, they were really nice, but we were sacrificing on something. They were either in an apartment complex with no elevator or in a sketchy neighborhood, something. So this is exactly what we wanted, and I already hang out with my friend Jules all the time. So we just thought it was best to live together. She was moving out of her place, and now we get the house of our dreams. We're spending the same amount of money. And what's really cool is in the future, if Jules meets a guy or like wants to move out, then hopefully me and Matt are at a place in our life where we can afford the difference between the 2 of us. And it's a 3-bedroom house, so we could have just like an office and a guest bedroom, or we could have like a baby's bedroom when we're married and want to have a kid, or even if to the point where we could have realistically 2 kids in this house because we have so much space. It's 2,000 square foot and it is everything I wanted. It's in a great location. It's a little bit farther from the beach than we were before, but we're right next to the highway. We're really central, so we're close to downtown LA. We're close to the beach. We're close to our old house and our old friends. So I am so happy. I hope that you like this house as much as I do, or love it as much as I do. Don't forget to subscribe because I'm going ham. This is my dream house and we are gonna make this house perfection. So a lot of decor and DIY stuff is coming and I'm so excited for everything to come. So let's get moving.